Hi everyone, welcome to Grow With Shilpa channel. Today I am going to make a pasta and I am going to show you how you can speak in English while cooking. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for making pasta, as you can see, I have kept enough water for boiling pasta, and here as you can see, this is the pasta. I have taken this pasta because I like this pasta, and I have taken 250 grams pasta. As you can see, she is my sister and she is chopping onion. And now I am going to add some salt for flavor. So first let it come to good boil. Once boiled, I am going to add in the water this pasta. Guys, as you can see, some little tiny bubbles showing in the water. I am able to see these tiny bubbles. So I have chopped some onion. You can take according to you, and I am going to put 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, mustard oil. The water is boiling over. And now I am going to put pasta into the bowl. I am washing this pasta, as you can see. And washing the pasta. After washing, and now I am going to add this pasta in this water, and I have put it pasta in this water. Let it boil for 6 to 7 minutes or until well cooked. It is boiling over. The water is boiling and I am stirring the pasta. And after stirring, I am going to put it aside. Now as you can see, I have taken chopped onion, 2 pieces of onion, or you can say it has been chopped onion. It is passive sentence. So it's been almost 7 to 8 minutes. I am going to check this pasta. I am going to take 1 pieces and let me cut 1 pasta to show you some little resistance is remaining. So it is slightly underdone. So I am going to switch off the flame. I have switched off the flame. I am straining the pasta. it is need to some more water over it to stop cooking. Now I am going to put into this pan on the stove. It is heat and the pan is heating, and I am going to add some mustard oil for cooking. Now I am going to put onion in this pan. I have put it into this pan. I am stirring. Let's wait for some minute until the onion brown. Now I am cutting tomato in small pieces. Now I am going to saute. I need to wait for some minute. When it turns brown, I will add some masala. Now as you can see, it has turned little brown, and I am going to add some masala. I am going to take 1 to 2 teaspoon mirchi powder, red chili powder. You can take according to you, as per your taste. And I am taking 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now I am going to add into this. I'm going to add tomato. And now I am going to add salt according to taste. Now I am sauteing it. Going to let it for some time. I have lit it so that the oil should be released out of this spice. And now I will wait for some time. So I am here to check the masala. I am mix it well. As you can see, I am mixing it well. The tomato almost mixed in this spice. Now I am going to add some masala, garam masala. Now I am going to add pasta in masala, and I am mixing it well. Now as you can see, I am mixing it well. Let's leave few minutes. It start sticking. Now I have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that I will check. Now as you can see, it is fully cooked. It looks amazing. Now I am going to mix it well. It seems quite tender and soft. And now I am going to check the taste of this pasta. So I'm tasting this pasta. Amazing. So that's all in this video. I think you have learned a lot of things, a lot of knowledge you have gained in this from this video. So that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.